Meaning of finding.
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 Finding. Finding generally refers to the act of discovering information or evidence through investigation, research, or examination. It can also refer to ascertaining the location of something or someone. The result of a finding can vary depending on the context. In a legal setting, a finding could lead to a verdict or judgment. In scientific research, finding could contribute to new knowledge or confirm existing theories. In everyday life, a finding might simply be a solution to a problem or insight gained from personal reflection. Overall, finding implies discovery or revelation of some kind.